Long Drive Championship in Mesquite, Nevada. Log on to ArmyMWRGolf.com for more details.
Because they haven't seen
Look at your face. Oh.
For the crime of 2 specifications of rape, 1 specification of carnal knowledge.
Under the Uniform Code of Military Justice, the term sexual assault refers to a category of crimes that includes several sexual offenses.
You are hereby sentenced to a dishonorable discharge.
What they all have in common is that any accusation of these crimes will be investigated.